Welcome to Flower Care Garden. Today I want to share a super simple, budget-friendly, and easy way to make a natural fertilizer at home. And the results for your Anthurium may truly surprise you, because this method helps the plant grow stronger, develop healthier roots, and bloom more beautifully without needing any extra fertilizer. If you are looking for a natural, safe, and effective way to care for Anthuriums, keep watching until the end, because we are starting right now. To care for my Anthurium today, I will use onion peels to make a natural soaking solution that is simple, easy to prepare, and budget-friendly. First, I tear the onion peels into small pieces and place them in a clean bowl so the natural compounds can be released more easily during soaking. This is a gentle method that can be added to your home plant care routine without needing complicated ingredients. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm very happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. So please leave a comment below and let me know, because it's wonderful that we can connect and talk with each other from many places around the world. Next, I add about 1000 milliliters of hot water to the bowl and stir well so the water can come into contact with the onion peels more quickly. When using hot water like this, the water will gradually change color and dissolve some of the water-soluble compounds from the outer peel. After that, I let the mixture soak for about 1 hour so the compounds from the onion peels can be released into the water. The second ingredient I use is coffee powder, a familiar ingredient that can be used as a supplemental plant care solution when prepared and applied properly. I will add about 3 tablespoons of coffee powder to a clean jar. Then pour in about 1 liter of hot water and stir gently, so the coffee can disperse more evenly in the water. Next, I let the mixture soak for about 1 hour so some of the soluble compounds in the coffee can be extracted into the water, helping the solution become more stable before use. After soaking the coffee for about 1 hour, I stir it gently once more, so the soluble compounds can disperse more evenly in the water. Next, I strain out the grounds and keep only the liquid for the next care step. This liquid can be used as a supplemental care solution when applied in an appropriate amount, making Anthurium care gentler and more convenient. Next is the onion peel infusion, and I stir it gently once more, before straining out the solids and keeping only the liquid. After that, I mix this onion peel liquid with the coffee solution prepared earlier to create a blend for the next care step. When prepared at an appropriate concentration, This mixture can be used as a gentle supplemental care solution, making Anthurium care more convenient. This is a simple method, easy to do at home, and suitable as a gentle addition to your plant care routine. Method 1. Wipe Anthurium leaves with a diluted onion peel and coffee solution. First, use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth. Lightly dip it into the solution. Then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the Anthurium leaves. This is a very important care step because over time, dust, residue, and moisture can build up on the leaf surface and interfere with the plant's natural photosynthesis. A diluted onion peel and coffee solution not only helps clean the leaf surface, but also makes the leaves look greener, cleaner, and shinier. When the leaves are cleaned properly, the plant can absorb light more efficiently, exchange gases better, and maintain more stable growth. In addition, regular leaf cleaning helps reduce the buildup of fungi and bacteria on the leaf surface, especially in warm and humid conditions. For Anthuriums, healthy leaves are a very important foundation for supporting roots, feeding new shoots, and encouraging longer-lasting blooms. However, you should only wipe the leaves once every 7 to 10 days. Do not clean them too often or rub too hard, because that can affect the leaf's natural protective surface. With gentle and regular care, you will notice the Anthurium leaves becoming cleaner, stronger, and the plant growing more vigorously. Method 2. I pour the diluted onion peel and coffee solution into a spray bottle. Then mist it gently and evenly over the entire Anthurium plant, so the nutrients can be distributed evenly and come into gentle contact with the plant's important parts. When spraying, I make sure to cover both the upper and lower leaf surfaces, the leaf stalks, the stem, and even the aerial roots exposed above the growing medium, because all of these areas play a very important role in moisture absorption and in maintaining the healthy vitality of the Anthurium. The diluted onion peel and coffee solution provides a gentle level of natural nourishment, helping the foliage become greener and healthier, while also supporting steady root development and creating favorable conditions for the plant to grow in a more balanced way over time. In addition, gentle misting helps clean the leaf surface, reduces dust buildup, and lowers the risk of bacteria and harmful fungi accumulating in humid conditions. So the Anthurium is better protected and its leaves become noticeably cleaner, shinier, and healthier. Method 3. I gently water the entire Anthurium growing medium with a diluted onion peel and coffee solution, so the nutrients can gradually reach the root zone and nourish the plant from within. When watered properly, the solution soaks evenly into the growing medium, helping maintain stable moisture, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients gradually, reducing nutrient loss, and lowering the risk of root shock from sudden environmental changes. In addition, This solution also helps keep the root zone cleaner and reduces conditions that favor harmful fungal growth, helping the roots stay healthier so the Anthurium can grow more steadily, support its leaves and shoots, and bloom better in the coming time. After watering, let the growing medium soak in the solution for about 10 minutes so the roots have enough time to absorb the nutrients more effectively. After soaking the solution for about 10 minutes, I lift the Anthurium pot out and move to the next step to avoid keeping the growing medium overly wet for too long. Method 4. I gently use a soft cotton pad to absorb any remaining solution on the leaf surface, especially in areas that tend to hold water such as the leaf tips, edges, and veins. This step is very important because if Anthurium leaves stay wet for too long after care, the leaf surface can remain overly humid, which increases the risk of fungal problems, leaf rot, and reduced natural leaf health. After gently drying the leaves, I place the plant in an area with soft light, good airflow, and proper ventilation so it can rebalance its moisture, recover its vigor, and continue growing in a healthy and sustainable way over the next few days. And that is my full natural, gentle, and effective way to care for Anthuriums, helping the plant build stronger roots, cleaner leaves, and more stable growth every day. If you found this video helpful, subscribe now so you do not miss the next shares, because in the coming videos I will continue sharing more simple, easy, and very effective Anthurium care tips you can do at home. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, and I wish your Anthurium stays green, beautiful, and blooms with stunning flowers very soon.